My name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm already not having a good makeup day. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little orange. I just tried the e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer with the Universal Tint. Apparently it's not the same tint that the moisturizer of that line gives, because this is not okay. This is after foundation and powder on top too, and it didn't make it any better, so I'm gonna have to rock it for today. So because of that, I feel like now I'm kind of in one of those moods where I'm like, oh, whatever, let's just put anything now on my eyes. But I don't know, I don't really have a plan. All I know is that I want to use this new eyeshadow. Yeah, that's bright, right? Isn't that nice? This is the Colourpop Supershock Shadow in Kelp Me. It's a very shimmery coral peach kind of color. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna start with my fluffy brush from Wish and go into Running Late by Colourpop, which is what I'm going to be doing if I don't get out of here soon. So I'm just going to use this as my transition, at least for now, until I choose something else and screw up today's look. Next I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it and go into Flowerboy by Colourpop, which is a nice pinky peach. Maybe more pink than peach. I feel like I want more depth, but should I just go right in with it? Maybe. See, I wish I could be this fearless with everything else in life. Isn't that pretty? Like, say, even like my drawings, for example, because I like doing art. The friend that I was doing the makeup videos for, she's just so fearless with her art, and she just like, yeah, let me try this, and you know, if it doesn't work out, like, oh, I'll fix it with something else later. Like, that's how I am with makeup, and I think you could see that. I kind of just, let's throw it in, and we could always fix it with some eyeliner or some other eyeshadow, or at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you could just take it off or start over. But everything else in life, I'm pretty cautious and fearful. I like that. I think that's very pretty. It's not as shocking as this looks. I think this is actually pretty wearable, which I don't really like that term because everything's wearable. I feel like I want to do something else on the outer corner though, or maybe deeper into the crease, but what? Alright, let's do it. Just in case that one wasn't bright enough. I'm gonna go into Colourpop Slave to Pink. And this is like a, I don't know if they sell this one anymore, but it's like a magenta with like purple sparkles, lilac, I don't know. It's very pretty. It's very bright. Oh dear. No going back now. I think that looks cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the my IBY crease brush, and I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette and go into Sequins. I've been using this color a lot lately, but now I want to kind of deepen the crease to kind of make it match what I did with the Slave to Pink color. Normally, I like to do crease work before I do lid work, but things happen sometimes. Well, I like that. Actually, I like that a lot. See, sometimes good things happen when you just try things out. Sometimes. So I'm gonna go in with, can I use Banger as a highlight? Have I tried that before? I'm gonna try it now. We're gonna test all the limits here. I'm gonna go with my dollar store brush. I'm gonna go into Banger. Looks like it's gonna be a little dark. Yeah, definitely more suited for a darker skin tone than my own. But it's not as bad right now, and that's probably because of the e.l.f. primer. Maybe I'll add a hit of Disco just to brighten things up. Now, I would prefer not to put the cream eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. And I'm going to go into Candy from this palette because that looks like a very similar color to what I used, but in a powder form. Yeah, that's very similar. Perfect. And then I'm going to go in with Sequins and put that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now there's no shimmer in it, but I think I'm just going to leave it at that. I like that. Now the question is, do we put eyeliner on? If I didn't like it, I would definitely say I'm going to put the eyeliner on to try and make it look better. But I kind of do like it like this, so I think I'm going to leave it, and I think I'm going to go just straight to mascara. Alright, I think I'm all set to go. I ended up really liking this one too, so cool. So don't be afraid, you know, try things. As long as you have ample time, like, to fix things if they go wrong. Like, don't go trying brand new makeup before, like, I don't know, some sort of important event, and then, you know, because if you really hate it, then you want to take it off, then it's going to be a problem, so don't do that. But otherwise, you know, experiment, don't be afraid. I feel like you could add eyeliner if you wanted to. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but would I try it with eyeliner next time? Yeah, maybe. Maybe like a brown wing. Maybe some glitter on top. And then maybe a little brown in the waterline. So that's it for today. I hope you have a good day, no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye! See you next time!